You don't have a money problem. You have a courage problem. People tell you doubling your income takes years, degrees, hustle, sacrifice. That's a lie. Doubling your income is easy, actually. Right now, you're trading time for money, hour after hour, week after week. You wake up early, commute, and sit in soul-draining meetings. At the end of the month, your bank account barely moves. You try saving, cutting expenses, canceling subscriptions. Deep down, you feel it. This isn't how wealth is built. You're exhausted and stuck. Here's the truth. Income doesn't grow with effort. It grows with leverage. Poor people work more hours. Rich people increase value per hour. If someone replaces you in 2 weeks, you won't double your income. Money rewards rarity, not obedience, effort, or loyalty. Rarity. Imagine 2 men in a forest. The first tries breaking a tree with bare hands. He works 10 hours, bleeds, sweats. The tree doesn't move. The second man disappears for 4 hours to build a sharp axe. He comes back and cuts the tree in 10 minutes. Same forest, same tree, different strategy. The world pays for the axe, not the effort. Most people are the first man, busy, tired, broke. The few who double their income build axes. Doubling income isn't about doing more. It's about becoming harder to replace. Solve expensive problems, get paid expensive money. Create measurable results, charge measurable prices. Stop asking, how can I work more? Start asking, how can I become rare? Here's what you do. Step 1. Identify a painful problem in the market businesses spend money to fix. Step 2. Build a skill around it. Sales, copywriting, paid ads, AI automation, high-ticket closing. Whatever creates revenue. Step 3. Attach income to results, not hours. Don't say, I charge $25 per hour. Say, I generate $50,000 in revenue. See the difference? Step 4. Raise your price immediately. Wrong clients leave, right ones respect you. Price signals value. Confidence signals authority. The market doesn't pay what you deserve. It pays what you negotiate, position, and prove. Doubling your income isn't hard. Staying average is. Choose your difficulty.